Let's get this open, see what's actually in the package. So I got your user manual, some tools, the clamps, have a quick tighten, a cap of some sort, brush to clean, and this is an extension one. You don't get this with all the other different brands that I know of. Then here, and we have a 25-foot hose and the actual paint sprayer that has a tip on it of a 517. And if you don't know much about the tips, might be something you want to look up. It just really depends on the material that you're using and how much you want to spray on the wall. And last but not least, of course, you got to have the unit. It's actually very light. And the suction hoses and the overflow hoses that connect to this. And it does come with the filter. Now with all that out of the way, this is actually an extremely light unit, so it's portable to any job site. I'd find that something like this would be very helpful for any homeowner that's doing trim work or needing to paint a room or two, that's doing light commercial work even. This would be probably a good painter for that. This is typically the size that you start getting to when you start doing multiple rooms. And you can hook a roller to this and roll the walls or the ceilings. You can do things like that with it. But I'm interested to see if this thing can compete with the Graco Project Pro that I have. So that's gonna be interesting because this is a lot less money than the Graco.